What's going on, YouTube fam? I hope you're ready for this one, because this one is going to get a little tickling. There's a little tickling in the you-know-what region, because certain people are going to get offended about what I'm going to say right now, because this right here is where the real deal Holyfield lies. Let's put it like this. I said I'm not going to buy the Jordan 1 OG 85's. I said I wasn't going to do it, guys, but obviously I am going to do it. That's the reality of it, guys. I have to do it. And why didn't I ever bring the review on those pieces of garbage? Because that's all it is. It's just one big of plastic garbage, the worst leather that you could ever imagine in your life. It's just, it bothers me sometimes, guys. Yes, this piece of garbage right here, it ain't even worth putting up my leg. That piece of garbage is truly the most hyped, unappropriate, let me put it like this, unappropriately hyped sneaker that I have ever seen in my entire life. Let's put it like this. I didn't even care about bringing the review on it for the simple fact that I knew what kind of a piece of garbage it was. But just to prove myself a point and to bring you a review of what's really worth the money, I'm gonna show them to you guys. Yes, this is right here, pure dead stock with the glitter and all, the 2016 fully dead stock 2016 Breds. Yes, guys, I did pay a pretty penny for these bad boys right here. But why did I end up paying the pretty penny? I got it for a good deal, guys. I'm gonna talk transparent with you. I got it for $550. And why did I end up getting that? For the simple fact that this is worth the money. This is quality. This is the way that 85 OG piece of garbage should have been. Well, guys, it is what it is. Let them get butthurt about what I'm saying. I truly don't care. I am gonna speak the truth from that Plasticonian. I'm gonna put that name on it. The Plasticonian Jordan 1 85 Bred. That is more, it should be a piece of bread inside of a toaster when it comes out all flimsy. Yeah. But anyways, guys, you already know how I feel about this piece of garbage that I'm wearing, and I gotta bring you the review. I cannot just leave you hanging there. Let me show you what true beauty and real quality is all about if you're gonna spend that type of money on a shoe that is not worth it. Buy the real deal Holyfield. From here, buy the OG straight from 85, even if it's cracked. That's it. This was the best retro made to this day. It ain't gonna beat it, no matter how much hype and how much people fell for it. Let's get straight into this review, guys, because I already hear in the horizons the vomits and the diarrhea. You already know how I start this. The materials and the toe box. Check out the toe box, guys. Look at this. Look at this. When you push it in, there you go, baby. Real tumbled beauty. A-grade quality. This is what it's all about, baby. Even the black leather on it is pretty damn nice. I'm talking about good quality, guys. As you guys can see right there, yes, it does have the glitter, because in these, yeah, fell off my hand. Let me get that right back. Guys, like I was saying, in this, like I was saying, guys, this year, this year was the year that the majority of them, even the shattered backboards and even my core purples, they all have this glitter on the actual black. That me personally, I love that glitter, man. It keeps it a classic. I love that glitter on it, and people automatically know that that's the real deal Holyfield right there. Going to the side of the sneaker, you see the swoosh in tumbled leather. Very good quality all the way through. And going to the heel, you see the tumbled leather, prime quality. prime quality. If that's even something, prime. It's prime. Like prime time, yes, it's prime quality. And the wings up top is tumbled leather as well. You see the Air Jordan logo right there, stamped. Yes, very nicely stamped, embossed into that tumbled leather. And you see it that it's nice and glossy. Very beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. Now, going into the midsole of the shoe, nothing more has changed, guys. And honestly, I love this silhouette more than the actual 85, even though there is a difference between the 85 and this bad boy right here. But I personally like more this silhouette than the actual original. The original looks a little boatish to me, and I'm not really big fan of that look, that concave look right there. Not a real big fan of it. But as you guys can see right there, it's just a prototypical midsole for the Jordan 1 OG. And going to the sole, of course, guys, the best tread pattern in basketball history, second to none. It is what it is, in all solid red with the Nike logo in the middle. And to get into the final details right here, guys, the tongue is the same as every other Jordan 1 OG with that nylon, guys, very nice. And you see the tag in the top, Nike Air, black and red. And in the inside, Nike Air printed on it in black, and the whole insole is in red. And right in the inside of the shoe, you see the QR codes and the size that it came with it. That you see right there, guys. You see that little stitching that actually gets into the 9 right there, the 9.5. That right there, I love it. I actually love that little detail right there. You might say, but what the hell is a big deal? No, I like that. I like that because it gives me a feel that there are actually some hands on these bad boys right there. They messed up or something like that. Yes, it makes me feel like it's not just some half-ass crap there that it's just stamped on all over the place. No, they had to get it in there, and the female or the dude or whatever the hell is working on it messed up, dog. It messed up. I love the fact that certain shoes have imperfections to the beauty that it actually has. Like in this case, guys, you have to embrace the imperfections in life, guys. Nothing in this life is perfect. Not you, not me, not even this shoe. Nothing in this life is perfect, but life itself is perfect. Get that message, guys. Get that message. Unless you're one of those bitter a-holes that just see the negative of everything in life. You guys probably know a few of those. Yeah. They always gotta find something bad with everything in life. But when it comes to me, these shoes, guys, oh man, you know it's coming, guys. It's coming. You feel it? Yes. Oh, now you. The next time, everybody, these are worth the money. Throw away them 85's, bro, or use them for, I don't know, walking around and go ATV riding or ride BMXs or something. I don't know. Do a Nigel Sylvester with them bad boys. Crumble them all up. That's probably what the only thing they're worth for. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best, guys. Peace! Ecoete!